Johnathan. I've worked at Timberland for coming up 14 years. My job title is mechanical assembler. During the day, it's nice because I may not work on the same thing, but we have knowledge and gain the knowledge over the years to jump from job to job. Working on hydraulics and big equipment. It's hard work, but it's satisfying work at the end of the shift. Over the years, I've worked on many big projects, dam winches, rescue hoists, handful loaders, a lot of mining equipment, hydroconductor, utility equipment, a lot of different jobs over the years. If you're willing to learn and you don't want to stop learning, this is a very good environment to grasp the mechanical of many different types of equipment that are used worldwide. Things that you don't think you could work on, you would be able to work on after a little bit of training.